Our OneStream Enablement course is a 2-day hands-on session that provides a foundation which will enable project teams to make a more valuable contribution to the design and implementation of OneStream applications. It's an in-depth exploration of OneStream, ideal for project managers and design teams that need to get up to speed fast. This course is typically taught before the application design process begins. It covers all capabilities of the system and explores the interface, the dimensionality, and the key design considerations required for the implementation of efficient and effective applications. This course explores OneStream dimensionality, how data is entered and loaded, consolidated, adjusted, translated, and then analysed. You'll see the powerful import functionality used to populate your actuals from any source system and explore the extensible dimensionality when entering data to your budgets and forecasts. Project teams will gain an appreciation of standard, repeatable workflow process and see how data is validated and certified as part of the submission. You'll work with journals, intercompany, and create forms and cube views, as well as finding out how to analyze information through dashboards and reports, as well as the OneStream XF add-in for Excel. This is the perfect way to start a OneStream implementation. It provides a thorough grounding in functionality, terminology, and concepts. It also challenges perceptions and provides perspective on the possibilities that OneStream offers your organization. It will help inform the decisions that need to be taken during the early design and build phase of your project. You can download the detailed agenda to see exactly what's covered, but if you're part of a project team that will be involved in the design of a OneStream implementation, this 2-day hands-on course is a must for you.